In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix the Snapchat ultra wide camera option not showing up issue. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is fully close out of Snapchat, just like so, and then go ahead and open up either the App Store or the Google Play Store. And once you do that, hit the little search bar and then specifically type in Snapchat, just like so. Select Snapchat, and if there is an update available, go ahead and select Update. Many camera features won't appear if you're running on an outdated app, so make sure you update the app. But if updating doesn't work, or you just don't have an update available, go ahead and open up Snapchat again and tap on your profile icon up in the top left corner. And from here, tap on the settings gear up in the top right corner. Scroll down and you're going to see a support and feedback option or a support and safety option. Essentially, go ahead and open up that. And then from here, go ahead and select bugs and suggestions and select report a bug. Choose camera up at the very top, and then from here you're going to want to select the topic option and select camera features. And up in this section that does say, type a description of what happened, just type in my account doesn't have access to ultra wide camera feature, please fix the issue. Tap submit and Snapchat will usually review these reviews and can enable the feature on your account again. As a workaround, while you wait for that, you can actually open up the standard camera app and there is an ultra wide option on here, but obviously this is not a permanent fix. But if you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.